In this video, we are going to go through setting up the software and having it ready for us to program the board. The software we are going to use for this scenario is called mBlock 5 software, and it's a block-based programming software we will use to program our Arduino. So first things first, you are going to search IDE dot mBlock, this one. You're going to search IDE.mBlock, click on it, make sure you search it online, you have the internet connections on, then you will see mBlock based IDE. IDE is just something which helps you to program something or to compile code. So you'll click at this one, coding for beginners, the first thing that will come. You'll give it time, it will load. Make sure your internet connection is on. So when it's on, the next thing you're going to do, always make sure that you have your account, because for this specific tutorial we're going to use a Chromebook, and the Chromebook is something that works on the cloud. What do you mean by working on the cloud? It doesn't allow you to save things on the actual device, but you can save it somewhere else in the internet or somewhere, another computer somewhere else. We normally call it a cloud that is not physical with you. So you will need to have your account. So you come here, you click at that head there, something like this will come. You will come to sign up and you will create your account, or you can either sign up or you can go directly and log in with Google. And when you log in with this, it will prompt you for your email, the email that has been opened at that moment, and that's what you can use. So those are two options you'll use. But for this demonstration purposes, I'm not going to log in or sign up, or signing up. So, but be sure to do that for you to be able to save your projects. It will save your projects in your account, and make sure the names you use and the passwords you use are things you can easily remember. The next thing, we want to now add some devices to our Arduino. But before we go here to devices, on your left center devices, we will connect our Arduino first. So I am going to show you me connecting the Arduino. So putting it aside like this, there. The Arduino is here. This is the Arduino we worked with in the previous tutorial. So it's very simple. Already one side is connected, but we have not connected it to the computer. So this other USB part is the one that we are going to connect to the computer. So with this one, you will put it, you will note that depending on your and how your computer is structured, you just look for a USB port that you can access, like this one, and just push it in. So I will put it there and I will just push it in. So after putting it there and push it in, that's how you make sure that you have connected your board. So the next thing, after connecting that board to the computer, we have made sure that also this side is connected, this side is connected, and this side is connected. So we'll come back to our screen there. We will head directly to devices. Click at devices, and at devices, under that you'll see something like add. So just click at add. Let's add. then wait. You will see something looking like an Arduino Uno there. Of course, we are going to program an Arduino Uno. This is what we have interest in, so just select it by clicking on it. After clicking on it, you'll see an OK button here. Click at that OK button. After clicking at that OK button, these things will come here automatically. These are the codes that will help us program the Arduino. So before you do anything, it has already accepted it, but at times it doesn't accept automatically. Something here will come and will ask you to connect. Right now, I think it has already connected. So if you see it, just click on it, then it will show you a link to download something. Just click on that link and pick the one for Chromebook. It will allow you to install the extension on your Chromebook. So after installing the extension on your Chromebook, you will be ready to go. You'll be all the way ready to go, and you can now program your work and come here to upload whatever you've programmed. Just click at upload, then when you click there, it will automatically send whatever you coded. But right now we don't have anything coded here, so we don't have anything to upload. So there is disconnect. So let's leave it at this upload part. There's disconnect. So make sure you scroll down. You see, I'm scrolling this part for the connect to come. So after scrolling that part for the connect to come, click at connect. Then you will see this mLink, this thing that comes here. So you'll just click install mLink and wait. Just give it some time. That will come because this is a Chromebook we are using. You will pick these things depending on what you're using. Right now we are using a Chromebook, and this tutorial is for the Chromebook. So I'll click at the Chromebook. After clicking at the Chromebook and giving it time, something like that will come. So I will just look at it very well. We'll look at it. I'm looking for a place where I can now install. So it's not yet bringing something to install. It means I will need to sign in first before installing. So that's the good thing of signing in. I did not sign in the first time I worked with it. So just make sure you sign in, you install it, and after installing everything, it will work and you'll be ready to go. So see you in the next video.